Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this light motion like aura effect in CapCut PC. So if you want to get that anime edit glow up using the aura effects like you see in light motions, you can just follow my steps in here. So first, you can just add the background and also the cutout of your character. And then you can copy your cutout and put it on top. And in here, go to adjustment and set, you can just scroll down and lower the saturations into -50. And also brilliant and contrast, increase it into exposure and contrast 50. Like this. Then you can go to curves. Then copy my curves in here. Okay, just do it like this until the characters will become white like this. Now just add two video effects and then search for neon. Now add this neon outline effect. Now you can go to the adjustment options and add a custom adjustment layer like this. And then set the saturations into -50. And now go to effects. And here search for the ripple effect. Now just add this water ripple effects to the timeline. Don't forget to adjust the duration, and now adjust the width into 75, filter and size into 0, and speed and vertical into 100. We'll go like this. Now click on the white layer in here and then rotate it into 50. Go to the basic and here change the rotate into 90 like this. Now select all on top and here. Then just create a compound clip like this. Now you can just click on the compound clip and change the rotate into -90 like this. And now just drag it below the like this, the original cutout. And that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.